Copper, what do you want? Are you hungry after you went swimming? You're hungry? Tell Mommy if you're hungry. Use your words. Use your buttons.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
Olive. Your back. Cards. Let's see yours. Yours is so pretty. It's got such a cute little hat. No? Okay. Robbie. Where's Keeps?
So as you can see, it comes with this little thing to tighten this around her head. And it has something that goes under the bottom, and then it allows you to loop around and tighten this if you want to.